Very hot and humid conditions, and then we've got a cold front, and that is ripe for severe weather, and that is exactly what we're seeing this hour. Most of the activity has stayed in our far northwestern sections, now pushing through Benton, and 5 counties under a severe thunderstorm warning this hour. So that is Fulton, Pulaski, Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties, and here is why. We've got a cold front, showers and thunderstorms developing in front of that, a long line of intense storms. You can see all the heavy rain, lots of lightning, intense lightning here, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and also some penny-sized and quarter-sized hail being reported with this line of storms as well as it tracks to the east. You can see Winnemac, you are under the gun now, Abby, Monon, and as we push southward, you can see Carpenter, Monticello, you're getting ready to get some very heavy rain, lots of lightning, and those strong gusty winds. Brookston, you'll be under the gun soon, Round Grove, even back through Oak Grove. So really the entire viewing area will be seeing this line of storms push through. It's showing a little sign of weakening, but you can see all the deep red still through Boswell. Oak Grove, you're going to get hit here in the next few minutes. Round Grove again and down through Pine Village, Briscoe. Everybody's going to see this line make its way through, and here's why. It's a pretty impressive line here all the way from Detroit, stretching back through our area, down through Champaign, St. Louis. We've everybody experiencing the very hot heat temperatures, the heat advisories, the triple-digit heat indices. So now we've got the surface front that is pushing through, and that is just giving us, look at all these severe thunderstorm warnings, a long line all ahead of that frontal boundary. So this does have to make its way through the entire area, so everyone's going to see the very heavy rain. Look at the lightning here, so you need to be prepared and make sure you're inside, seek shelter, take care of everybody and everything as this storm makes its way through the area, these thunderstorms. You can see we've got some dry conditions in Lafayette downtown in Tippecanoe County. The storms are on their way though, tracking eastward at 20 to 30 miles an hour. Take a look at where we are this hour, 91 with the sunshine, the dew point. Haven't seen this in quite some time. This is unbearable. 75. The humidity is at 57%, and the winds are out of the south-southwest at 13, gusting up to 30, 35 miles an hour today. So at least that breeze helping us out a little bit. As you can see, these numbers very hot, but we're starting to see some cooler temperatures once that rain moves through the storms. But we still have 90s here for much of the area, the eastern central parts before the storms hit. So our feels like temperatures still in the triple digits. Look at Covington, 107. That's what it feels like this hour. So some dangerous heat out there. Actually, the storms, the rain is going to help us out once we get into tonight. Should be all out of here. And tomorrow's highs, much different, much cooler. It looks like we're going to fall back into the low 80s. So at least we will be cooling off. Now for this evening, you can see it begins to break up a little and die down for us as that one line pushes through. We could still have a couple spotty thunderstorms for our southern sections. Other than that, it looks like it will be on the light side, scattered, especially for your morning commute tomorrow. Maybe a few rain showers around and some spotty showers and thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow, and even as we get into tomorrow evening. And it looks like we're going to be unsettled for Friday and the weekend as well. Not a washout. The weekend's looking dry, but it looks like we are warming back up. So for tomorrow, cooling off after the storms, 83, still a chance for maybe a scattered shower or thunderstorm, 85 for Friday, and we're looking at some hot numbers for Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, we're back up to 90 degrees with mostly sunny.